two students that have been with me for several years, and they are going to express their own words in the way they want you to hear. Thank you.
Hello and Dashtilik everybody. My name is Dinsadich Lobsang. Today I want to tell you all about my experience at Tibetan Sunday School. So first of all, Damye. Damye is basically a Tibetan guitar and is taught by Gejayangla. As some of you know, music is a big passion of mine, so Damye is clearly something I enjoy. Learning new pieces, perfecting songs and correcting my own mistakes puts a smile on my face. Damye has grown my knowledge of music and I've recently learned how to tune a Damye. Secondly, public speaking has helped me immensely in talking to people and large audiences just like you guys. I was never really a shy person, but these classes have taught me how to speak and I'm thankful to Gay Bemala. Because of these lessons, I probably wouldn't have achieved being a form rep. Last but not least, Puyig, also known as Tibetan literature, is taught by Gego Samla. Learning how to speak a new language is obviously difficult, however learning to read and write in one is an extra challenge. Resilience, perseverance and persistence is what you need to learn a new language. I have to admit, I'm not really a good example of these characteristics, because there have been times where I've almost given up, but I have carried on. I have thoroughly enjoyed this experience, and I'd like to say a big thank you to the Tibet House Trust and the supportive teachers. Thank you for listening.
Dashdila to all, my name is Gandhi Doji and I'm about to speak about why we persist in our culture. For starters, we are a unique type of breed. We are without a country, but our culture thrives on. But why do we do it? Because we are Tibetans, proud of our country. We do Damye lessons, improving our musical culture. We do Tibetan lessons, improving our communication with each other. We build a community just to show our potential, our future, to create a better Tibet than we ever imagined. Our job, keep learning, keep fighting, keep sharing awareness, and soon, we will be free.